8:59. I'm Jasmine. I'm here.
Very good.
What's the question exactly?
Why don't you come on up? Have a good day.
Should I?
Yes.
Okay. Sure about that. I'm here on time.
Yes, absolutely.
Did you all get my messages that I was sending through about?
There was facts that I need to read through.
That was not all of it though. But I've been calling. Your clerk hasn't been returning my phone calls for some reason.
Well,
I don't have an attorney.
I know it.
She seems like she don't like to talk to me too.
No, that's not the case. She's just very busy.
She gotta make some time for it. Maybe a higher pay rate or something. Okay. Let's get myself here. This is water. Did ask for a continuance so that I can get more information, and I'm requesting it now.
We'll call the case on the record. Dr. Sanchez, can you hear the court okay, sir?
Yes, go ahead.
Okay, very good. All right.
Attorney Huber.
Court is calling to session 25 CM 201 and 25 CM 442, State of Wisconsin versus Jasmine Davis. Attorney Huber appears on behalf of the state. Ms. Davis appears in person without counsel. We're here today for continued contested competency hearing on these matters. Last time we were here, Ms. Davis asked for an extension, and the court granted that request. And indicated that we would be going forward today with the matter. And this is now scheduled for 2 o'clock. It is 2:01. The court has Dr. Sanchez by Zoom. He's allowed to hear that way and testify for purposes of the issue of competency. Is the state ready to proceed at this time?
She's ready to proceed.
Ms. Davis, are you ready to proceed at
No,
this
I
time?
am not actually.
Why not?
Because I have not gotten a proper participation from the things I need as far as competency evaluation. There's some other things that I have to go over. I need more time to take care of my matters. And I have other court cases as well, including one tomorrow. But I have been trying to send get medical records and different things like that so that I can submit for further competency evaluation, and also try to talk to the evaluator Sanchez's job to see if he can correct the errors that he made on the competency evaluation as well. And like I had said to you before, it wasn't like a continuous before, because that was just initial thing. You didn't give me a continuous before. That court date was supposed to be changed, right? So you didn't give me a continuous before. You asked that man when he would be available. Everybody told you when they're available. You never gave me a continuance yet. Right?
All right, no, that's not correct. We were here on May 19th and you asked for more time because you said you wanted to get an independent examination done. So I granted your request and set it over. And
so what I would please say to you is that I want to recall, because you were supposed to, the date would be scheduled for another time, right? Because he submitted the competency evaluation. The court and the district attorney's office did not make sure I had that evaluation on time. Behavioral consultants did not submit it either. It is you all's duty to make sure that I get my competency evaluation with or without an attorney. You did not supply that. I had to actually fight up the day of the competency evaluation to get it. And I asked you all, you said what day, everybody told you all you were not going to proceed that day, right? And there was going to be another hearing, so then I can be able to argue my case. And I understood that. Either way, it would have been a hearing today. I also have a status hearing too, please. And I said, can it be as further out as possible? And I explained to you, just like that man, you told him that he was.
I'm going to stop you right there. The only reason we didn't go forward back on May 19th was because you wanted additional time and I gave it to you. That's why we did not go forward. And here we are now today. So here's what we're going to do. I'm going to allow testimony to be taken from Dr. Sanchez by the state. You'll have an opportunity to cross-examine him. And then at that point, if you're still making a request for more time, I'll hear more on that.
Okay. But yes. Sure. Yes, sir.
This is what we're going to do. Understood?
If you hear that and make sure, because this is not over. I should not have to go to jail. I don't consent for this. And also, why would you hire some unprofessional, like, why wouldn't you have a public defender to teach me the law? I have so much loads of stuff that has to be submitted to the court. The district attorney has not been really communicating with, having conversation. I have so much evidence here. And so it's going to take a while, and it cannot be a rush process. None of them are cooperating with me through this whole process. I did not bring my competency evaluation. His competency evaluation is not true. And so it is not admissible to the court. He has lies in there. I only have one brother. He said that I have two. He was dishonest about a lot of things, for the record, that alone can tell you. You cannot, by law, use his evaluation. You have not verified it. It is not true, and I can prove that. I asked you,
Miss Davis.
I'm Jasmine Renee Davis.
Stop, please.
I want to continue to talk.
Please. No, I understand that. I'm
Okay.
telling you to stop
Stop what?
talking
For how long?
until I tell you to talk.
Wow.
You had previously indicated that you did not want counsel. Do you want an attorney on these cases?
Why you ask me that?
Because you brought up earlier, just about 30 seconds ago, about not having an attorney. Are you now saying that you want a public defender assigned to you?
No, I was speaking because you all, I have a right to answer my question.
Okay.
Please, order in the
Ms.
court.
Davis, I need you to simply answer my question.
And I am.
No, you're not.
Why?
Do you want an attorney appointed to you on these cases?
For
that
what?
Requires a yes or a no response.
No, you also said to me, please, deputy. You said to me
Can
that
you
I
answer
spoke
my
on it, and I
question?
am. Please do not beat me up here. Because
Ms.
you
Davis.
all are using this to take away my rights as it is. Please know everything that I'm saying on these court records. This is
There's a
unlawful.
record being
The charges and
So, Ms.
everything.
Davis.
I'm telling you, the only reason why I mention that because they all have used previous reports that I have not been able to access, so somebody else can fairly give me an independent evaluation. I have a right to an independent evaluation, and you all are refusing that.
Ms.
It has
Davis.
only been 30 days, and I told you I needed more than 30 days, and you said that I can address that at that time.
Stop. Ms. Davis, stop.
Are you about to arrest me?
No.
Why y'all standing up behind me?
You need to worry about me when answering my question.
What's your
Do
problem?
you want an attorney appointed to your cases to assist you?
For what reason? There's many different reasons that are appointing. If I represent myself, you all may try to have an attorney or something like that. I can represent my own matters, but I can also look for an attorney and have time to get one as well.
And you had time.
No,
for
I
that.
have not.
But the question-
I have not had an adequate amount of time to properly do everything that I have so much stuff that I have to do. That man got to reschedule and tell you that he had other stuff on his schedule, and you all are not going to be unlawful to me through this false imprisonment. If I want to find someone that I can talk to or whatever, then I can. You all, first of all, this is not even relevant. The way competency to stand trial and competency to represent myself is two different reasons. I put in a motion to compel evidence. I put in you all were supposed to, I said, since I have to force you all.
So number one.
Did you all read
Stop.
any of my stuff?
Ms. Davis.
Have you read any
Ms.
of my stuff that I
Davis.
sent in today?
Miss Davis, stop with the you all accusation.
Did you read what I sent today?
Would you like an attorney appointed to your cases, yes or no?
If I have
Yes.
any attorney,
Yes or no?
appointed means what?
Provided to you from the state.
No.
Are you going to hire your own?
I have to figure things through. But today I'm here on my own, and I can represent myself, and I can do it accurately. No attorney can fight for me better than I can fight for myself. You have to do the law, whether it's with me or without me. I put in evidence today that you all have not. You are making this go. You don't even know what I submitted. You have not even read it yet. There's no way that you can keep this going. All the stuff that I sent, and you know that. You are a public appointed official. You were voted into your office.
Do you wish to proceed today without an attorney?
I wish to have this, like I submitted continuance. You did not